Hello you guys and welcome back to my channel. My name is Courtney and I love helping you love your home through DIY, thrifting, and organizing. Welcome back you guys. Today we are in the landing. Okay you guys, sorry about that intro. My kids were really loud. They were home and my husband's home and it was just busy. We just got home from vacation in Canada after 10 days and so the house is just a disaster. We're all kind of unraveling ourselves from, sorry, I'm cleaning, from that trip and just kind of settling back in. So I thought I could film with everybody home, but I couldn't. So they're at the library right now and we have painted the second coat and the first coat. We've painted the top of this room. So this is the landing, you guys. I am so excited to be freshening up this space. I'm excited every single time I do a project. I'm just excited to be working again. Thoroughly enjoyed the time off, desperately needed. Just hung out by the pool, hung out with family. It was wonderful. Got to see so many friends and family. But I am excited to just be creative again. And I just have so many plans. Even as I'm thinking about this room, I'm thinking about all the things I want to do downstairs, but gotta rein it in. We're gonna focus on where we're at. So this is our landing, and this is where, when we bought this house, I just envisioned family time. I envisioned us hanging out, reading books, watching movies, doing puzzles when Harvey's a little bit older. Because right now we know that if we try to puzzle with him around, it would turn into a game of 50, 100,000, pick up something. You know what I'm trying to say? So all that being said, my vision for this room is that I have a beautiful buffet that we brought back from Canada. It's not something that was ours. It's something I bought at Christmas with the envision of it going here, and we had to bring 2 cars down to bring it back. So sorry Brad, but that should be the last time we ever do that. I promised him I wouldn't ever do that again. I'm serious. So I have a vision of a beautiful buffet gonna go here. It's downstairs now, and then we're gonna do a TV and gallery wall around it, and then I want like a comfy sofa. It's basically going to be the younger sister of the downstairs room in the sense that they're complete opposite. So if you have a sister, you know what I mean. So downstairs is beautiful and moody and just cozy, and it wraps you up and just wants you to be, it just feels sophisticated and just elegant. Whereas this room, I picture it being the calm, cozy, chill sister. It's still gonna have all those beautiful elements. Obviously I want it to fit in with the home, but it's a little bit more relaxed. And yeah, I'm just really excited to see this space kind of transform as it already is. It already feels so fresh in here. I didn't do anything fun with the color. I basically just chose a couple shades lighter than what was already here, mainly because I already had the paint. So I was trying to save some money, but also because that's really what I want. I just want it to feel like a fresh, clean slate. Because you come up here, you have all of these windows and it's just so beautiful and so airy and open, and I just wanted to lean into that. So all that being said, we're gonna keep moving right along because I don't want this video to be 100 years and I ramble way too much, I'm sorry. But we are going to go ahead. I'm cleaning all of the beadboard. There is so much beadboard, but I'm cleaning all of it, and then we're gonna give it just a fresh coat of paint. They painted it before we moved in, but with the amount of movement with children and moving furniture in and up and down those stairs, I probably should have brought the buffet up before we did that. Okay, just needs a new fresh coat, and then because I did the floors, it has the trim around the bottom that just needs to be painted. So we're gonna do that, and I'm gonna stop talking, and I'm a little bit afraid because there's a lot of trim, but we're gonna do it. Okay, let's go.
It's more just like, obviously, his house obviously does not like being carpenter's son. So then, on his...
No, say it.
That's okay.
Not on this one, not on this one.
Over there. I'm expecting this today.
Over there.
Can I pull the ones in?
You do that, I'm recording.
I looked at your camera. Like it's recorded.
Should be.
I'm just gonna bypass that. Have a great day, everyone.
God bless you.
God bless you.
Jesus bless you.
Amen.
That was so sweet of Brad, and I just had to share that with you guys. I wanted to leave that in case it encourages you or touches any of you in the same way that it did for him. And if it seems like I've been painting this trim and beadboard forever, that is because I absolutely have, you guys. This took me hours. I thought this was going to be kind of like a mid-morning afternoon project, and it was the entire day. Also, this is cool. You can see that they used to be painted yellow and green at some point. I just can't even imagine seeing all of this beadboard painted yellow or green. I feel like that would be kind of crazy, specifically yellow, but obviously someone had some fun with some color up here. But yeah, this is definitely a project I would recommend that you ask a friend to come over and help you with, because there was just so much beadboard and so much trim around the windows and on the doors. There are 4 doors up here, and it took a really long time, as you guys can see. We got the buffet up. It looks stunning. I love it so much. It's exactly what I envisioned. And we had an issue with one of the drawers, but we'll get that fixed, don't worry. It did involve a towel, but it's fine. So now I have these curtains that 2Page Curtains sent me. Thank you to 2Pages for sending these out. I'm so excited. They are custom curtains at a fraction of the price that you would pay for normal custom curtains. So you can get these on Amazon and you can pick your color, you can pick your texture, your length, your pleats, all the things. So I chose triple pleat curtains in a beautiful white color, and I have 4 of them. And I'm gonna see if I wanna use 2 or if I wanna use 4, just based off of the window width. Normally, because this window is so large, I would probably choose the 4 just to make them thicker, or in general, you can buy just the 2 and make them extra wide. But because we have such a small section of wall on this side, I'm probably gonna end up using the 2, and then I'll just give the other 2 to my mom. These are memory shape trained as well, which is really awesome. It means that once I get them hung, they should stay where they are, and the pleats will already be ready to go. They're very heavy because they're also blackout lined. These are linen curtains, and I'm just excited, you guys. Like I said, I got the triple pleats, and I think they're just gonna be so pretty. So we're gonna take these pin hooks, put them in the back, and then I think I have the right hooks to hang them onto my curtain rod. If not, we'll be pausing, ordering from Amazon, and we'll keep going. But I really hope I have the right ones because I really want to see these up. But I went ahead and told them my measurements without the curtain rod. So we also need to say a prayer that I get the curtain rod at the correct height, so that these just touch the floor is what I'm going for. I don't really like the pooling effect, and I don't like them higher than the floor. I like them to just touch the floor. So let's stop talking and let's do that. They're so long. I am also using the curtain rod. You guys have seen me use this in every single room. This is from Ivalon or Ivalon, I'm not sure, in the warm gold finish. And like I said, I've used it in every room. It's just really inexpensive. You can get it in a lot of different sizes. And I also just like that it kind of helps with the cohesiveness of the home, is that all of the rooms have the same rod. It's so pretty. I'll also have everything linked down below for you for those who are interested. There's a hair in my mouth. Curtains are up, you guys. They are beautiful, so well made. I love that I can make them custom to this space, and they have adjustable clips. I think I showed you that when you put them up, so I just need to adjust just a couple of them because I would like to bring them up off the floor a little bit. But so pretty, and it's amazing because I honestly didn't think that this window needed to have that kind of frame around it because it was already so styled and so intricate with all of the trim and just the detail work. But now it's almost like framing a piece of art. Like, you can have a beautiful canvas and it's stunning on its own, but when you add that frame to it, it just makes it stand out that much more and just completes the picture, if you will. So I love it so much, and I really love at night. We can totally close them. I hope this doesn't make it too dark. But we have a street light right here, and so when I walk out at night, if I have to use the bathroom because I'm becoming an old lady, I love that now we can have this closed and I don't have to stare at that bright light at night. Also making it perfect for when we want to have movie nights up here. So now we won't have the glare from that. And also if I want to have someone sleep up here, if we have an air mattress or a couch that allows that, we'll get to that later, then I can have this closed and they will have less light in here, and it's amazing. So love it so much. Now I just want to share with you guys, I did find this cutie little lamp at Marshall's the other day. Was I at Marshall's or was I at Home Goods? Hang on, let me go back to my brain. No, this was TJ Maxx actually. TJ Maxx, which is where I also found my lamps for my bedroom. Highly recommend checking those places out for cute lamps. Obviously Target too, they've always got some good stuff, but I feel like this was a little bit cheaper. I think this was $29.99, so $30, and I think I just got another one. If you follow me on Instagram at Heart and Home Crew, I was asking you guys which lamp to put up here because I found a really pretty globe. This is a globe as well, lamp that was glass, but with like more gold detail, but I feel like that looks better downstairs, and that one was $22 plus the shade was $12, so like $34, $35, so I guess they're both comparable. But anyways, all that being said, is this not cute? I love it so much. So I'm thinking, like I showed you already, I'm gonna put it here on the buffet, and then I'm gonna spend about 100 years trying to unwrap it. I appreciate the sentiment of trying to keep this thing nice, but like, see why they did that. Okay, I'm gonna have to get some scissors because it's actually pleated, like fabric, really nice. Anyways, isn't that just pretty? I just thought that was so cute. Little gold knob detailing. So anyways, I'm gonna have that over here. And so what's next is that I'm waiting. I ordered a mount to mount this TV on the wall, and because I don't know if I shared it, but I do not like putting much in these walls because they're lath and plaster. I always want to mix it up and say like plather and lath. Anyways, lath and plaster, and what that is, it's those thin slat boards and then plaster all over them. That's the kind of walls we have, which they're great, and you know, they're great, but it just stinks when you're trying to put like something that needs to be secured onto a wall, because if you don't have a stud, it's really hard to use those wall anchors because of the wood pieces, and they don't like to go in there, and then you make it bigger and then they fall out. It's a mess. I'm like praying these curtains stay up because it's a mess. Anyways, I ordered something though where you don't have to go into a stud, and I think you just like hammer a bunch of nails in and it's supposed to hold it. It's like a French cleat. Is that what it's called? That's the way that it works. Anyways, I'm gonna have to share that with you guys next week though, because I have to wait on that. And then I've got some other things coming for this space. I've got a rug coming and a couch coming, you guys. And then we're basically just detail work. Like, there is not a lot that needs to happen in this room, hallelujah, because the painting took everything out of me. So next week it's gonna be those finishing touches and detail work. And then we're gonna work on getting some frames out for a gallery wall. I'll show you what I have in mind. But yeah, I'm really excited to kind of transform this space. So as always, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Just part 1 of the landing. We're just gonna have a part 2, you know? It's not intricate, but it's gonna be a big switch from what it was, which was just kind of furniture that we had to more styled. And I'm so excited. I'm already so excited. Like, I love that we got that buffet here from Canada. The curtains were something I didn't even really know we needed. And yeah, now we're just gonna finalize all of the details, but bigger pieces, you know? Couch and a rug are big things that transform space. But then we get to put all the pretty things up on the wall, and I cannot wait. So as always, thank you guys for watching this video. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it. Make sure you're subscribed if you are not already, so you can see the transformation of the space. I'm excited, can you tell? Oh, ooh, ooh, ooh. No, I did not make the cheerleading team, and no, I didn't try out for it because I read books. Not to say you can be a cheerleader and not read books. Ugh, you guys, ugh. Anyways, okay, Jibber Jabber Courtney is coming out. Talking too fast, take a breath, slow it down. Okay. Getting too weird. My kids are gone. I'm excited. I love my kids. But quiet is nice. So I'm gonna cut all this out. I hope I cut all this out and don't make a fool of myself. Anyways, you guys, thanks for watching, and I will see you in next week's video. Bye, guys. Okay. I don't have scissors, but my 2-year-old was playing with tweezers, so let's see if that works. Probably like a way that they did this. That makes sense, you know? By the time you come back next week, I'll have this finished. Is tape necessary at this point, people? She's cute.